Welcome back, everyone. This is Christopher Glock, and today I'm going to be going over something that you think is probably super basic, which is how to hold a gun. You'd be surprised how a lot of people are coming up short in this area. So I've seen all kinds of things when it comes to you holding this, holding the gun down here, holding the gun up here, holding the gun down here. So I'm going to show you basically the way you're supposed to be holding a firearm, just when it comes to you delivering those rounds down range and ensuring that you are safe and as accurate as possible. But enough of me talking. I can show you better than I can tell you. When it comes to your grip, the concept remains the same pretty much for all type of firearms. Doesn't even matter what it is that you're shooting, it's still going to remain the same. So I brought out some firearms that I have. This is the Canik TTI Combat. This right here is the Springfield Hellcat. This is the Springfield Prodigy. And this is the Taurus Raging Hunter. I definitely wanted you to see how I actually hold the firearm just when it comes to you using a revolver versus semi-automatics. So, when it comes to the gun, real simple. Let that slide go forward. You want to have your hand up as high as possible on that firearm, just as you see here. Like, don't hold it down here. Don't hold it like this. Don't hold it kind of weak. You want to have it all the way up here, as tight as possible. You want to be as close to this back part, which is also known as a beaver tail, that you possibly can. So hold that as tight as possible or as firm as possible, like a firm handshake, but not to the point where your hand is actually turning white or to the point where your hand is actually starting to shake when it comes to you actually holding that firearm. So if you're doing any of that stuff, it's too tight. Also, you want to have that thumb forward grip just like this, because you want to have equal pressure on both sides of the firearm to make sure that you are delivering those rounds as straight as possible. So keep that in mind. Canik TTI. Then there's the Springfield Hellcat. Let that slide go forward. Concept remains exactly the same. High up as possible on that back strap, that beaver tail. Grip it just like this, and with that thumb forward grip, nice, firm as possible. Like I said, so those rounds can go as straight as possible for each one of those rounds. Springfield Hellcat. Then this is the Springfield Prodigy. Let that slide go forward. High up as possible. This one has an extended beaver tail, as you can see there. With the thumbs forward grip, just like that. Equal pressure on both sides, keeping the gun firm, just like that. Very important that you keep a nice firm grip on the gun, because when it comes to something like this gun has a whole bunch of kick and a whole lot of power to it just when it comes to shooting. So it's important you hold that gun as firm as possible, just like I showed you on the other firearms. And also with that thumb forward grip, just like this. When it comes to you actually delivering those rounds down range. Because I promise you one thing, if you do not hold this gun as strong and as firm as possible, this gun will flip out of your hand and you will definitely not land that shot as far as where it's actually intended to go. So just remember the rules and the concepts and you'll be fine. Just as simple as that. towards Raging Hunter. Kicks like a bull.